Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and Ethereum is in danger. Big danger for Ethereum. Why? Because this red support line is right now breaking down. Let me show you what's going on the bigger time frame. We can even go to the daily, because this red support line has been holding since November last year, yeah? And if you want to take advantage of the upcoming volatility, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And if you don't know how to trade, I've got the best trading course out there for you. How to become a professional trader. Check out cryptodealers.com. Everything you need to become a professional trader, yeah? So check it out. So let me show you guys. As you can see here, since November, this line has been holding for Ethereum as support. Let me show you here. We had touch points 1, 2, 3, 4, and now what is going on? Let me show you on the 4-hourly time frame. Usually, let me show you on the let's go back to the daily. Sorry. Usually we saw a pump, yeah. So when we touch this line, we saw a pump to the upside. Here again, pump to the upside, pump to the upside. So we always basically had huge pumps. But the problem right now is, if I switch back to the 4-hourly time frame, as you can see here, we basically never really had many 4-hourly closes below this line. But as of right now, let's zoom in here a bit. You can see that we already had a couple of 4-hourly closes below this line, yeah. But as of right now, I'm not yet really bearish, because as you can see here, we don't have a lot of volume coming in here. Let's go to the 1-hourly time frame. As you can see here, we had one spike here in volume a little bit. When we broke the line the first time, as you can see, the volume went up, but as of right now, the volume is going down. So usually, if there's not a lot of volume, this is not really a confirmed breakdown yet. Let me say yet, because if there's not a lot of volume, the price of course cannot move significantly. In the worst case, guys, if this would be a confirmed breakdown, then the target would be down here at around, yeah, let's say $1,100. And if I don't think that's going to happen, but if this would happen, I would really buy a lot of Ethereum, because it would be really cheap, I would say. So, but as of right now, we really have to watch this. Let's go back to the 4-hourly time frame. We really have to watch this line here, and we have to see if there's some more volume coming in, and if you see more, let's say at least a daily close below this line plus a lot of volume. As long as we don't have, let's say, a daily close with a lot of higher volume here, it's not really a confirmed breakdown yet, I would say, yeah. So that's a situation with Ethereum right now. Let's go to Bitcoin. As long as we hold above this line, let's go to the daily time frame. Let me show you guys. Similar as with Ethereum, Bitcoin is trading in this ascending broadening wedge since January this year. And basically, ascending broadening wedge is more likely to break out to the downside, and the target would be also somewhere around here at around $60,000, which would be really cheap. I would buy a lot of Bitcoin down there. But let's see, guys, because we have still some room here left. As of right now, as you can see here, we are trading in this broadening wedge here. But as you can see, as of right now, we have this yellow line here acting as support, and the upper yellow line acting as resistance, yeah. And what will be really interesting is when we touch this turquoise line, which would happen, let's say, around 23rd August, yeah, if we would break down here. But we also would need that it's a confirmed breakdown. A lot of, let's say, 4-hourly closes or a daily close, and a lot of volume that it would be confirmed. Otherwise, we could see a next pump to the upside, as it happened here. As you can see, we touched it here, broke down a little bit, and then we had a huge pump, a pump of even, yeah, pump of 25%. So maybe this will happen here again. But as of right now, first of all, we are trading in this yellow pattern, and we have to see what happens when we touch this line. So guys, that's what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.